Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can underline texts in your designs on Affinity. So let us get started. So head over to your document or design on Affinity, select this, the text tool here on the left hand side and position your text box anywhere you like here. So I will go with this position here. So enter your text like underline. Well, that's pretty large, so let me resize the text box and show you how it's done. So what you want to do is highlight the text by double clicking into the text box, then navigate to text at the top. And then what you want to do next, guys, is navigate to character traits and choose underline. And there you go. As you can see, the underline has been added. Of course, there's also the option to use the pen tool or pencil tool for that. So let's say you have a text like this one here without an underline. You may navigate to the pen tool or pencil tool here, start your line here, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and draw a line like this. And now of course you can change its weight here, for instance, right, by using that slider. And as you can see, that's an underline as well. You may change the color, change its position. So that's the two options, guys, how you can create an underline effect for text on Affinity Designer. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.